The ProtoGrip project aims to automate the segregation of metal and plastic from the mixed waste. By using a robotic arm, it ensures faster and more accurate sorting, which reduces the labor cost. The system helps to minimize the lower operational cost, which contributes to the environment. So here is our project. Now let's introduce our team members.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমি মোহাম্মদ আনার। আমার স্টুডেন্ট আইডি 011210063। তো আমরা এবার ইলেকট্রনিক্স প্রজেক্ট করেছি। তো আমাদের প্রজেক্টের নাম হচ্ছে প্রোটোগ্রিপ। আসলে আমাদের দুর্দান্ত। আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমার নাম রবির। আমার স্টুডেন্ট আইডি 0112313।
আমি দিনাফসানা স্বর্ণা, আমার স্টুডেন্ট আইডি 011231002। আমি তাসমিয়া হক বনি, আমার আইডি 01123104997।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আমার নাম সিয়াম হক, আমার আইডি হলো 011231011।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, my name is Shakir Hussain Patel. My ID is 011310229।
So let's know how we started. So the components are used in the projects are DC motors, a Arduino Uno, a LiPo battery, a switch, a ultrasonic sensor, a motor driver, a servo motor, the servo motor driver, the ESP32 cam, the FTD module, the Bluetooth module, and some jumper wires. So here is the components which are used in our project. So at the very first we made a car using the DC motors with the help of LiPo battery and the motor driver. We added an ultrasonic sensor at the front of the car so that the car could detect and avoid the obstacle in its way. By the Arduino, we implement the code of the car and it was done perfectly. At the beginning, we faced some problem with the sensor, but after making a few changes, it improved its performance. After trying many times, the car started working perfectly, moving smoothly, and it was avoiding the obstacle very smoothly. After completing all the work on the car, we moved on our robotic arm. In the robotic arm, we used servo motor driver which was connected by the Arduino. We uploaded the code in sequence, but initially we faced many problems despite of multiple attempts. However, after few trials, we moved all the motor perfectly, and it was very much satisfying to see all the motor are working. So, let's see our final look. Let's make it run also. So for some reasons we cannot completed our project 100%. It was completed by about 90%. So it was our failure by us. So we hope that we could make it perfect in the future. And finally we have participated in our project show of our university, and it was a great experience for all of us. So thank you everyone. That's all from our project.